It's early in the morning. You're excited. The sun is finally up and you're ready to get out there again. The perfect activity for today is going on a hike. Nothing can go wrong, right? Knowing that it's spring, the snow has mostly melted. Why not go to a mountain with a clear trail to start off the season? Easy to hike and no need to navigate. No chance of getting lost. You lower your guard down. You've done this trail dozens of times already. It's a perfect day. How can anything bad happen? You push all these negative thoughts out of your mind. It's going to be a fun day.
A woman is dead after firefighters say she fell hundreds of feet from a Monday.
Twin Cities teenager who died in a climbing accident in Colorado is being...
Sadly, this is a lot more common than you think, and a lot of it is preventable. If there is one important advice I can give to all of you, it's to be safe. Mother Nature doesn't discriminate. Just because you're a new hiker doesn't mean you'll have beginner's luck and have favor given to you. It doesn't matter if you're a veteran hiker who has hiked Mount St. Helens 69 times, or an energetic teenager who is hiking Rattlesnake Ledge. Accidents do happen, and when you're out in nature, always be cautious. These kinds of incidents happen because we let down our guard. We don't prepare in advance. Maybe we slip at the worst time possible. Before going out, always check the news reports and in the winter, avalanche reports. We've lost too many people this year in 2018. When you're about to take that picture or selfie, ask yourself, are you in a safe position? Maybe in this time and culture, it is even more important to wonder, is the selfie worth it? Whatever the case, please, come back home.